Tetada dikenalkan sejak 24 November tahun 1991. Tujuan awal didirikannya Tetada adalah untuk ikut berpartisipasi dalam memberikan kesehatan kepada masyarakat. Tetada awalnya dikenalkan kepada kalangan para dokter melalui kantor pusat Ikatan Dokter Indonesia di Surabaya.
Tetada Philippines started in Cebu City 23 years ago, 1995. And I am so fortunate that I am the first student of PAED, and we were practicing very good, feeling very good on this practice, that I felt that the more I get older, the more I move like 25 years old. And everything is so great on this system. Thank you so much.
Okay, my name is Pak Bert. I come from Cagayan de Oro, and I'll be 70 years old this coming May. I've been practicing Tetada Kalimasada for 15 years, and for the past 15 years, I no longer had even a bout of flu. Tetada Kalimasada was able to cure my diabetes, my high blood, my sinusitis, and my asthma. And I was able to stop smoking after 1 year practice of Tetada Kalimasada. And I've been teaching Tetada Kalimasada for almost 15 years also now.